Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to look at how to calculate the area of a sector. Okay, so the question says, calculate the area of the sector X or Y. Take pi to be 22/7. So this is a sector with radius 18 centimeters. So to find the area of a sector, we use the formula area is equal to theta. Theta is the central angle here, then over 360 degrees times pi r squared. So we use this formula theta over 360 times pi r squared because a sector is just part of a full circle. So this is just a fraction of a full circle. So that's the reason why we use this times the area of the full circle, which is pi r squared. So we substitute theta here. The central angle is 70 degrees over 360 degrees times pi. We've been told to take pi as 22/7 times the radius is 18, so we have 18 squared, like this. Then at this stage, we can simplify things. So 0 and 0 is dividing, so we have 7/36. Again, 2 can go into 22 11 times. Then 2 can go into 18. 2 can go into 36 18 times. Okay. So what is remaining now here is 7/18 times 11/7 times 18 squared is same as 18 times 18. So you need to be careful in the way you are working out your answers, because this is paper 1 and paper 1 does not need you to use a calculator. So you can see that at this stage 18 into 18 1, 18 into 18 1, so you can cross cancel here. Okay, again you can see that 7 into 7 1, 7 into 7 1. So what you are remaining with is 1 times, so what you are remaining with now is 1 times 11 is 11. 11 times 1 is 11 times 18. So on top here you have 18 times 11, or 11 times 18, which is just the same. Then over 1 times 1 is just 1. So because this is paper 1, so let me just solve it from here for the sake of space. Because this is paper 1 and you are not allowed to use a calculator, you can just say 18. You can multiply them like this. 18 times 11, okay, like this. So 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, then at this stage you are adding 8 plus, here is same as 0, 8 plus 0 is just 8, 1 plus 8 is 9, then this is 1. So you conclude and say, therefore, area is equal to 198 square centimeters. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing for more math lessons. Goodbye. See you in the next video.